Can I see?
Heyo e iso.
Eo iso. Oh, what happened, Pimo? Nakakapagluto ako guys habang tulog si baby. Gumawa ako nitong finish panuka ko guys. Breakfast guys, porridge with blueberry, butter, and milk. Habang kumakain, andito yung ating baby love. Gising pa yan siya. Nasa sitter yan kanina doon sa rocker niya ba. Pero ayaw niya doon. Mas gusto niya dito sa arms ko. Ayaw niya rin kay Nico, sa akin lang din. No. She's already full. She already had milk plus mom's milk. You're so full already, but sleepy. Now she's quiet. I'm a better rocker than the rocker itself. Okay. Kikinig lang yan siya. Ang inahan guys, wala pa'y kaon. Naunsa naman taan eh. Ganyan talagang buhay, no? It's okay. Basta she's comfortable. Bahala na ang nanay tsaka tatay guys. Basta ang baby comfortable, no? Wala man tayo sa Pilipinas guys. Sa Pilipinas kay merong mang taga-karga. Like may andyan yung lola, andyan yung kapitbahay, andyan yung auntie, yung kapatid, ganyan. Dito wala. Kami lang dalawa ni Nico. Si Anika hindi mamadya maasahan sa mga ganito guys. Kasi malambot pa yung leeg, no? Mga after 3 months siguro. But yeah, pag mga ganito talaga newborn, makinanay pa yan. Pero later on, makitatay na to. Basta girl. Multitasking na lang taan eh. Magkaunta guys. Kakain tayo. Tapos, papatulog. Wala tayong choice. Gutom na rin talaga ako. Lumipat na kami sa kwarto guys. Kasi dede na naman daw siya. Naantok na yan. Tapos ko lang kumain. Siya kakain na naman. Matutulog. Tapos hindi na ako makaalis sa tabi nito guys. Kapag daytime, ganyan yung kanyang routine. Ayaw niya mahiwalay sa nanay kapag daytime. Pero pag gabi, natutulog naman siya dun sa crib niya. Nakakapagluto ako guys habang tulog si baby. Pero hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng belt kasi andito lang naman ako sa malapit. Tsaka hindi pa naman yan siya malikot kaya hindi ko siya nilagyan ng belt. Si Pinos andun din. Ngayon guys na si baby is dyan namin siya nilagay. Si Pimo gustong gusto niya na dyan din siya sa tabi ni baby. Doon sa sarili niyang bed na kahiga. Hindi na siya nagpupunta doon sa room ni Anika. Ayan. So magluluto muna ako para makakain yung aking mga amo dito sa bahay. Pati din ako. Bistek guys. Tapos magawa din ako ng kaldereta na kulang ng carrots. But it's okay. Kasi matamis din ang carrots eh. So ito na lang. patatas, tapos lagyan nyo ng paprika tsaka green beans. Yan. So yun yung lunch namin. Hala, kaya bait man yan. Uy, sarap ng tulog. Gising na, my love. We need to drink milk. Cute. Oh, what happened, Pimo? Ay, ay, ay. Eva. It's our baby's first time to go out, guys, sa Vauno. You wanna push? Okay, let's cover.
Hey, Guma.
Hey, tuto kylmä.
Cover. Hey, yo, Guma.
No niin. Anika. Iyan o. So kami lahat, guys, is nasa labas. It's actually very cold, but it's less than -10. And it's baby's first time to go out na naka-Vauno or itong pram. Sa Finland, guys, when the baby is born during winter, allowed lang na ilabas si baby ng 20 minutes for the first few days. Pero dapat 2 weeks old na ang baby. So, as of the moment, 2 weeks old na si baby, and we'll just be walking for 20 minutes dito sa aming banda. At the same time, lalakad na rin si Pino para makaihi tsaka po. Si Anika is andito din. Baby is there. Actually, she's feeling so good already kasi nga malamig, but we need to cover, kaya merong cover dyan. So itong pram ko, guys, second hand lang ito, kasi alam nyo bakit? Hindi ko kasi ito magagamit palagi kasi may sasakyan naman kami, and for sure dito ko lang ito magagamit kapag maglalakad kami o kaya bibiyahe ako ng malayo na kailangan ko nitong pram. Kasi Nico is doon. Nika is here. You wanna build a snowman?
Yeah.
Build a snowman.
It's not like snow, except because it was something like moist.
Neon. This is like a very dry snow. So hindi ako nag-gloves kasi hindi naman ako lamigin talaga masyado. Can I see?
Hey, yo, Iso.
Iso. Si Pimo, guys, ganyan talaga yan siya maglakad kapag nilalakad ni Nico kasi mag-sniff na yan siya ng amoy ng mga forest animals. Check natin si baby. Anong gamot? Ay, tulog na. Dali siya fell asleep right away. Yeah. So again, guys, dito sa Finland, this is not a torture for the baby. A 2 weeks old baby to take out during winter. Maximum 20 minutes lang naman, and we make sure that she have enough clothes, layers of clothes, and meron pang thick blanket dyan sa loob na nagpo-cover sa kanya, so para hindi siya lamigin. Plus yung pram is Meron pa yung cover dito. Yan, may cover pa yan dyan. And meron pang kortina para yung lamig is hindi dumiretso sa mukha niya. Ayan. And we can actually leave the baby for 20 minutes outside provided na may proper layer of clothing. And that is very normal here in Finland or dito sa Nordic countries. We leave the babies outside while the parents are inside having coffee or tea sa mga coffee shops. So these things I asked this one from our Nyovolahoitaja or from our community nurse because when we came to Finland, Anika was already 1 year old something. She was already old enough by that time. And now that I just gave birth, baby is only 2 weeks, I asked our community nurse when is it allowed to take the baby out, like to walk na naka-pram. Ayun. So 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks, maximum 20 minutes, provided na merong proper layers of clothing. Are you worried that we are walking the baby outside?
No,
It's normal.
even they let kids sleep for the outside, but I'm not having much time.
Yeah, 20 minutes. Yeah. We are not gonna be staying here more than 20 minutes outside. We'll just walk towards our post box and then go back home. Because our post box is like 700 to 1 kilometer away from our home, guys. So we're just walking. And let's check the baby again. Because I know you guys are worried. Maybe you guys are worried. What is she doing? She's actually awake now and she's nakikiramdam. What's going on? What are these guys doing? Anong ginagawa ng aking parents and ng aking kapatid? Bakit nasa labas kami? So, yan, maglalakad lang tayo. And we'll just enjoy the short walk dito sa amin, guys. Of course, kapag ganito, when you're walking with a newborn, you need to check from time to time. Yeah? Are you okay? Oh, now she's shouting. Okay. Maybe because I'm walking too slow. Ayan. Kapag naglalakad ako ng mabilis, hindi siya umiiyak. Baby started crying now, guys. So we are going back home. Uwi na tayo ng bahay. Maybe this is very weird for her. It's her first time. So that's why 20 minutes maximum. Kaya uwi na tayo ng bahay. Uwi na tayo, guys, and si Pimo is tingin ng tingin dito sa amin. Worried siguro siya sa baby. Actually, guys, napaka-caring ni Pimo simula nung mating yung baby sa bahay. Gusto niyang i-check din kapag umiiyak yung baby. Natingin din siya. Tapos nung pinaliguan ko, andun din siya nakatingin. Babantay. It's actually sunset now. Ang ganda ng sky dun banda. Okay, hindi kasi masyado kita yung sunset dito sa aming banda. Kasi nga maraming forest. Maraming puno. So yun nga guys, kapag winter baby, short period of time lang muna na-expose sa lamig. Pero dapat not more than -10. Pero kapag summer baby naman, they can be outside for a longer period of time. So, mga next year, mas mahaba-habaan na nasa labas kami kasama ang baby guys. Kasi mas malaki na siya by that time sa next winter. Pero this winter, since newborn pa nga, maximum 20 minutes pa lang. So, nasa labas na kami ngayon ng 10 minutes. But, uwi na tayo ng bahay because the baby is starting to be fussy. Ayaw niya na dyan sa loob ng pram. Maybe because it's kind of weird for her. It's her first time na andyan sa loob ng pram. And hindi natin pwede ipilit na maximum 20 minutes. Uwi na tayo ng bahay. It's -9 pala guys. Pusok ang bibig natin dito. Yan. Lapit na sa bahay namin. And we're going inside. So, bago pala kami lumabas guys is pinakain ko muna siya, ipilit mo siya ng milk, and then nag-change ng diaper, nag-change ng clothes, naglagay ng bagong layer ng clothes, saka kami lumabas. Ayan, importante yun para hindi ako mag-feed while walking here. Diba? Pimo is andoon.
Varmasti sitten käytät liukastut tässä.
Nee. They clean but only that side, but not going there to Yako's place.
No, it's in here.
Yeah. So dahan-dahan tayo dito kasi madulas. Kakalinis lang pala ng snow dito sa amin guys kasi nag-snow kagabi and makapal ang snow. So this is our home. We're here already.
Mennäänkö sisään?
Let's go.
It's coffee time.
Yeah, let's have coffee or tea. Pasok na daw tayo, sabi ni Nico, kasi gumawa ako na Finnish panukaku guys, or yung Finnish pancake. Medyo thick yung pagkagawa ko but it's okay. So pasok na tayo para makapagkape si Nico. And tingnan nyo yung roof namin. Oh, sobrang kapal ng yellow. Gumawa ako nitong Finnish panukaku guys. Medyo thick siya but that's okay. So usually kinakain namin siya with strawberry jam and vato kermo or whipped cream. So itong ano guys, panukaku usually niluluto siya with vuoka or what is vuoka? Baking pan. Hindi siya yung pancake na kagaya sa English pancake or yung sa atin pa. Tapos wala siyang baking powder guys. Mga unta. It's on the thicker side but actually it tastes good.
Joo, pannukakku on aina. Aina hyvä. Usually in the, I don't know about the school anymore, but usually some schools too, and
They
especially
serve
in
this
the,
one every Thursday with herne.
in the army there was like a hernekeitto ja pancakes.
Ni. Every Thursday.
Mm.
Actually, it's so thick, but I think it's okay.
Hyvä.
Is it good?
Mm.
Buy one, take one pa rin ang Ben & Jerry's dito, guys. Kaya nagpabili ako kay Nico. Ibang flavor na naman. This is cookie dough. Vanilla ice cream with chunks of chocolate chips. Cookie dough. Ayan, tumatawag ng baby. Gustuhan ni Nico, guys. Akala ko hindi talaga masarap. Is it good? Pangalawang slice niya na yan.
Very good.
Diba? Eh, akala ko talaga hindi masarap. Nagustuhan niya pala. Snack time din si baby, guys. Oh,